And let's scoot around because there's a section I want to show you that I'm going to work on today, actually. Here's my project for today. So we see the black poly here, no weeds. We see the blackberry and raspberry bushes thriving. And what I did was I planted them, you know, along this side, along this side, and that's fine, okay. So I'm securing them again with the black plastic ties. Now some of them took, most of them took, but you know, we get some that really didn't take, you know, and that's fine. Now what I did was I kept watering the ones that I seemed to not take, and look at that. So it comes around sometimes. That's great. Now that's the pretty part of the garden. Here's the not so pretty part. So what happened was I didn't get the black polypropylene down here, so the weeds are growing like, well, weeds. All right, and you can see here I have my blackberry and raspberry bushes in there, but they're being overtaken by the weeds. So I really got to get in here and do some weeding, which that's my plan for today. And I want to lay down some black polypropylene in here to make my life a lot easier, so I don't have to do the weeding, and we can really have good access to the blackberry and raspberry bushes, you know, just like we do here. So I want to go from here, weeds, to here. Nice. It's an ambitious project, but you know, I'm thinking, you know, let's do it, make it nice, so we can have good access to the blackberries and raspberries when they finally come around. So here's the black polypropylene. So I have a 12-foot roll, and what I want to do is to just, I have rolled up with duct tape, but what I want to do is just simply cut it, you know, roll it out over there, cut a piece, and see what we can do, keep it nice. Okay, good. So here we are in the little jungle here with the overgrown weeds covering up the blackberries and raspberries. So what I want to do is I want to start getting up these weeds and then put down some black polypropylene cloth, so I don't have to do any more weeding, so it'll look more like my other part of the garden. It's a little ambitious project, but let's get to it. All right, so good. You can see how this is coming along here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull the big stuff. I'm gonna pull the big weeds, and then the polypropylene, it doesn't have to be perfect because the polypropylene is gonna cover the little stuff. So my plan is just to get the big stuff up, put the polypropylene down, the weed barrier, and that should work out fine. You know, so you can see the little bit I did already, getting the big stuff up, how it's opening up this area already. So let me get to this area here. All right, good. So you can see how it's shaping up here. cleaning everything, all the weeds out. Now I can see the blackberry bushes and the raspberry bushes. I want to see, I have an old piece, not an old piece, but I have a section of black polypropylene. I have a section of the black polypropylene that is left over from the other garden in the other side of the building. So I want to undo it, unfold it, and then see how, if I could position it, you know, in between here to prevent the weeds. All right, good. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the black polypropylene up against the building here, and it's 12 feet wide. So what I'm going to do is when the poly meets the plant, I'm going to use my butane burner and cut a line so the plant can fit through the poly, and then I'll drape it over to the other side of the poly. And that should work out nice. All right, the flame was getting real low on my butane torch. So I have a can of butane. I'm just gonna fill it back up. Goes right in the hole back here, and you push down, and you can hear the butane going into the canister here. All right, great. Now we're ready to go again. So you can see what I've been doing. I've been cutting the polypropylene weed barrier and draping it in between the plants. After I get done with, I'm putting rocks on it to hold it down, but after I get done with that, I'm going to use the little metal spikes to tack it down. Here's one of the metal clips, pins. I'm going to use them to tack down the poly into the ground. Okay, great. So you can see how I have black polypropylene weed barrier laid out, where this was all weeds a couple hours ago. You see? Now I got the weed barrier down, cut in between the plants, and now I just have to tack it down. I have the rocks holding it down now, but I'm going to use the metal little spikes here to tack it down, and then I'll get back. All right, good. So I got a lot of the weeds up and stones up on the side here. Let me show you. So you can see I got the stones up from the side of the building here, and I laid them on the poly weed barrier. So what I want to do now is to move the poly weed barrier up against the building and tack it down, and then I can put the rocks on top, and then I can do this side up here. So I tacked down the corner here. Let me back up a little bit. I tacked down the corner here and put some stones here, so you can see, kind of get an idea how it's going to turn out. Now, I'm going to put a few tacks along the side here, and then I'll put the stones on top. It doesn't need that many tacks because the stones will do most of the work. Now, after I do this whole side, then I can pull back the poly on that side, get the weeds, tack it down, and put the stones back there. So the stones should hold the edge in just like that. So, back in a few. Okay, good. So we got the polypropylene tacked down. And we got the blackberry and raspberry bushes coming up. And the holes in between. I got the rocks back up against the building here. And I'm happy with the way things turned out. So over here, I'm going to save this till next time. Tack this down and make it look like this. And this way it'll keep the weeds out. All right, so this has been Mike from Beautiful Day Farms. Thanks for joining me. Have a great week.